Oh, yeah. Boy, yeah. Working on it. Yeah. That's a warplane. Yeah. Shit. Oh, we saw there's been a lot of warplanes flying over sight for the USA. That what we just saw there is a USA bomber flying up to Fairford to help protect the United Kingdom. That is a bomber. There's more coming over in a minute as well. So where I'm sitting at the moment, I'm right in the military bases. So literally, all the planes are flying into like from United States of America, and that what we just saw there is one of the planes they sent over from USA in America to protect the UK